Hello folks, great news from the world of gap insurance. Now if you don't know what gap insurance is or why we should be happy about this decision, then go and check out my next video. Don't release it at the same time as this one that tells you all about gap insurance. But effectively the FCA recently said everyone's got to stop selling gap insurance because some people are making too much money from it. And most of those people that are making too much money from it were car dealerships. They were effectively buying in the gap insurance and selling it at a huge margin, and the FCA said they weren't providing good value, so made the strange decision to actually pull it from the market. In my opinion, they would have been better off just making people highlight how much money they were making from it, and maybe either restricting the amount of commission they could make or telling them that they should be advising their clients to shop around for a better price. However, they decided to go with a big stick and stop everyone, even the good guys, from selling gap insurance. Common sense has prevailed at last, and they've allowed 4 major insurers to start reselling gap insurance, and that means you have the option once again of protecting yourself financially if you lease or buy or finance a new or used car. Some of the press that went out about gap insurance when it was sort of withdrawn from the market was nonsensical. There was a lot of lazy journalism around it, and that's often the case when something's a bit niche and not really well understood. But it's available again from a number of brokers, one of whom is my sponsor, ALA Insurance. Now, you may have seen gap insurance appearing on the website for ALA Insurance in recent times, and that's because they've still been allowed to sell it for quite a lot of the period that it's been sort of suspended from some others. Now, I haven't been able to talk about it with regards to ALA in recent times simply because of this strange interim period, but I can right now tell you that if you want gap insurance and you want it from one of the market leading companies, please go and check out ALA Insurance for a quote and use the code GYM10 to get yourself a few quid off. If you want to know more about gap insurance and why I think it's so important for you to have it, especially considering how cheap it often is, go and check out the video that's coming up on your screen now. I've just released it at the same time as this one, and it will explain more about gap insurance, and I'll run through a number of example quotations so you can get some idea of the costs and what's involved. Catch you on the next one.